I think the benefits from Intacct has just been the real-time data, being instantaneous so that we can get the information that we need, improving the workflow processes where you're not so bogged down by the day-to-day stuff. And more than anything else, it kind of gives a peace of mind towards upper management that, the accounting, the numbers are good. My name is Cesar Elizondo. I am the controller for StarCorp. The reason why I went over to Intacct was just QuickBooks was just too time consuming between the different restaurants to have to go through and do a set of books for each restaurant. And Intacct allows us to just consolidate all into one system, one process where we could just enter everything into one screen. We help streamline our cash management as well. Prior to that, they were just really putting a lot of things in spreadsheet and not really forecasting. Now, in addition to having a projection for a cash flow, we're also able to run and consolidate cash flow statements from Intacct as well. That's really helped out as far as getting upper management knowing where the money's going at. When we saw the capability of the cloud-based management and being able to see the results right away, and that was what really sold us on going with Sage Intacct. It allows us to make decisions, number one, if we want to keep the restaurant going, whether we want to continue doing business there or not, based on the regions, if we open a similar store within that region, how we think they can perform. As we continue to grow, I definitely think Intacct has all the capability that we need, not only for our line of business, but for the other business ventures we might be pursuing. I know for myself personally, I've had experience with the software for many years now. It's really helping my job out as well because I won't have to be so much involved in the smaller transactional stuff. We kind of see the bigger picture now.